Now with Ask Steve, you can chat with any web page or PDF or a spreadsheet or a YouTube video. You do that by clicking on the purple lightning bolt tab to open the Ask Steve side panel, and by default you'll be dropped into the chat panel. And now here you can ask whatever you want, and now you can choose what you want to chat with. By default, you're going to be chatting with the current tab, and so in this case I can ask a question like, what is the student faculty ratio? And it's going to look at the website here, web page for the University of Arkansas, and get me the answer. So just looked at this web page, it read it all for me. But now I've got a bunch of other colleges here, and I kind of want to know what they all are, and I want to compare them. So instead of saying chat with this tab, I'm going to say chat with all the tabs in the window, and then I'm going to ask that same question again. And we'll see now this time it actually pulled the data from all 4 windows at once, and it's giving me the list of the student faculty ratio for all of them. Now I can either issue my normal kind of chat commands, ask for whatever I want, or I can run one of my agents. And that again will like make one big virtual web page out of all the pages or tabs that you've selected, and then use them. And so you'll notice here that you can either, your options are chat with one tab, chat with the tab group. And so in that case, let's say I've got like right here, I've got 3 Amazon products that I'm looking at in my shopping tab group. And then I've got this other one with something else. And so if I go here and I open up the side panel and I'm going to say chat with the tab group, and then I can say, here, I'll actually even do this by voice. What are the waterproof ratings for each of these speakers, and which one is the best? And now it's going to ask that question for me, and it's going to go read through all 3 of these pages, but ignore this one because it's not in a group. And it's going to tell me, okay, the 2 of these speakers have IP67, and then that one is the best. And here's exactly why. So if you're trying to do comparison, if you're trying to do research, this ability to talk to multiple pages or run an agent on multiple pages at once, either a tab group or a tab window, is super helpful. And then the last option is the chat with Steve, which is no tabs, because sometimes you're on a page like, let's say this one right here, and let's say I see a phrase, let's say this acronym here, SPARK. If I ask this right now with chatting with this tab and I say, what does the acronym SPARC mean? And here it's going to say Science Philanthropy Accelerator for Research and Collaboration, because it's getting the answer from this page. But that's actually a really well-known term for computer architecture as well. So if I now ask the same question again, but not asking any tabs, it's going to say it stands for Scalable Processor Architecture. It's ignoring this page, and it's just as if I had asked the question directly to ChatGPT or Gemini. So that's all the different ways that you can use chat. And like I showed, you can type in your message, you can use the microphone to speak your question, you can run agents, and you can pick what context you want to be used when you're doing your chat. So give it a try and let us know if you have any questions in our user community. Thanks.